Hi guys, today I'm taking a look at this package of baby sliding cabinet locks that the brand sent to me. Now these are pretty slick. They go together pretty simple. And then to remove them, you just squeeze these tabs. Well, maybe that's easier said than done. Yeah, they just come apart pretty. They don't come apart easily, obviously. You wouldn't want them to, but anyway, so see when you squeeze them together, it releases out. So I had an idea on my cabinets because mine are so far apart, they don't reach, so I thought I would try this. So that works if you have cabinets like that the poles are far apart from each other. So anyway, I hope that was helpful.